find the least number that is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 36. So, find the least number that is exactly divided by 8, 12 and 36 means what? A minimum number or the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12 and 36. From all the three numbers, all these three numbers, it should be divisible exactly, and it should be the least number. It is nothing but you calculate the LCM. So, LCM 8, 12, 36, 8, 12, 36. So, it is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 9s are 36. Next, both are divisible by 3. 2 you write as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Next, your LCM will be 4 into 3 into 2 into 3. So, 3 2s are 6, next 4 3s are 12, 12 6 are 72. So, 72 is the LCM. 72 is the LCM, option A is the right answer. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4 and their HCF is 4. What will be their LCM? So, you have to calculate the LCM. If you want to calculate LCM, then you should know the value of the numbers, the actual value of the given numbers, but they have given the ratio 3:4. So, one thing you have to remember, any number, you take any number, 10 and 15 I am taking here. Okay, so 10 by 15 or 10:15, both are same. So, if you want to simplify this fraction, so 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So, 2 by 3 is the simplified form of 10 by 15. Further, you do not have any scope to simplify 2 by 3. So, from which number you are dividing 10 and 15? So, from the number 5. So, from the number 5 you are dividing 10 and 15. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So, in a single shot, if you want to reduce the fraction into the simplest form, means you have to divide the numerator as well as the denominator by the HCF of the two numbers. So, here for 10 and 15, 5 is the HCF. So, if you divide from 5, you will get the reduced form of the given fractions. In the different manner also we can represent, that is 2 by 3 means 2 into HCF and 3 into HCF, 2 into HCF and 3 into HCF. So, 2 into HCF if we do, we get the original number, and 3 into HCF if we do, we get the original number. So, here they have given the HCF as 4. So, 3:4 is the fraction. If I do 3 into HCF and 4 into HCF, I will get the original number. So, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 4, 16. So, the original numbers are 12 and 16. For this 12 and 16, I have to calculate the LCM. So, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Next, 3 and 4, one of the number is prime. So, 4 into 3 into 4. So, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So, 48 is the HCF, 48 is the LCM for this question. So, option D is the right answer. One thing you have to observe here, directly I multiplied 3 into 4, 3 into 4. So, without calculating further, without identifying the factors further, I have did this one. Why we can do like this? Because 3 and 4, what is the HCF between 3 and 4? 1 is the HCF between 3 and 4, because 1 is the only number which divides both 3 and 4 at a time. So, 1 is the HCF between 3 and 4. If this is the case, then these two numbers are said as co-primes. 3 and 4 are set as co-primes. So, if the numbers are co-primes, then if we multiply those two numbers, definitely we will get the LCM. So, 4 into 3 directly I did, 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. So, 3 and 4 are co-primes because the HCF between 3 and 4 is 1. Any two numbers you may take. If the HCF between those two numbers is 1, then those two numbers are said to be co-primes. So, here the LCM is 48. Let us go to the next question. Problem number 10. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 12 and 336. If one of the numbers is 84, the other is. So, here they have given the HCF, the LCM as well as one of the number. We have to calculate the other number. In the introduction itself, we have discussed there is a relationship exists between the two numbers and their HCF and LCM. So, product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of their HCF and LCM. So, one of the number is called 84. You may consider the 84 as A or B. It's your wish. 84 into B is equal to HCF 12 and LCM 336. So, B is equal to 12 into 336 by 84. So, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84. Now, 336 divided by 7. So, 7 4s are 28, 7 8s are 56. So, the other number is 48. Option B is the right answer. So, a relationship A into B is equal to HCF into LCM. So, if you substitute the values according to the notation and if you simplify, you will get the other answer or the other number, that is 48. Let us go to the next problem. Problem number 11. What will be the greatest number that divides 1023 and 750, leaving remainders 3 and 2 respectively? Means one greatest number is there which is going to divide both the numbers 1023 as well as 750 and leaving the remainder 3 and 2. So, if it divides 1023, it is going to give the remainder 3, and if it is going to divide 750, it leaves the remainder 2. So, we have to calculate the highest number. See, 1023 is the number. 1023 is the number. So, it is leaving 3 as remainder. It is leaving 3 as remainder. Means if you subtract 3 from 1023, you will get a number called 1020. Means this 1020 should exactly divisible by that greatest number. Like that for 750. So, 750 minus 2. 2 is the remainder. So, you subtract 2, you will get 748. So, 748 is exactly divisible by that greatest number. For example, you take 5. When you divide 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 1. So, if you subtract this remainder from 5, you will get 4. Means this 4 is exactly divisible by 2. This is the concept. The same procedure we are applying for these two numbers. So, 1020 and 748. So, now we have to identify which is the number that is going to divide both 1020 and 748, and that should be the greatest number. So, the greatest number is nothing but the HCF, highest common factor. So, calculate the HCF for the two numbers 1020 and 748. So, 1020 and 748. Now, which is the bigger number among these two? So, 1020 is the bigger number. So, you divide 1020 by 748. So, 1 times 748. So, 10 minus 8, 2. Next, 11 minus 4, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Next, 272. 748. How many times? See, 2 4s are 8, means 800, which is more than 748. So, 3 times, let us check. So, 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 7 and 8. It is 816. So, 3 times it will be much more than 748. So, consider 2 times. So, 2 times means 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Next 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 544. So the remainder is 4, 0 and 2. So 204 and 272. So 272 is the bigger number, 1 time 204. So 8, 6. 68 is the number what we got. Next 6 3s are 18, 180, 8 3s are 24. So 180 plus 24, 204. So 3 times 204. So 0, 0, 0. So the HCF is 68. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next, let us go to the next problem, problem number 12. Problem number 12. Find the greatest number that divides 130, 305 and 245, leaving reminders 6, 9 and 17. So same, it is, the problem is very much related to the previous one. It is very similar. In the previous problem they had given only 2 numbers, but here they have given the 3 numbers 130, 305 and 245. So 130, 305 and 245. So when the number is going to divide 130, it leaves the remainder 6, means you have to subtract 6 from 130. So the remainder is 124. Next, when the number is going to divide 305, it leaves the remainder 9, means you subtract 9, then you will get a number called 296. Next, you subtract 17 from 245, so the remainder is 228. So 124, 296 and 228. So for this you have to calculate the HCF. So you consider any 2 among the 3. Any 2 among the 3. See, none of these is given. So because of that reason we have to go for the traditional approach. Otherwise, along with the options we can check. Yes, see here, option says 5. If the number should be divisible by 5, then the unit digit should be 0 or 5. But in these 3 numbers, the unit digits are different from 5 and 0. So 5 cannot be the answer. 4, yes, all the 3 numbers are divisible by 4, therefore 4 can be the answer. And for 14, if we want to check, for 14 the co-primes are 7 and 2. The co-primes concept you have learned in numbers. Okay, so 7 and 2. So all the 4 numbers are divisible by 2. Now you have to check whether the number is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56. 7 ones are 7, 5 is the carry over, 54, 7 eights are 56. So therefore 124 is not divisible by 7, therefore 14 cannot be the HCF. Next 24, so 8 and 3 are co-primes of 24. So now you check whether it is divisible by 8 and 3. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 is not divisible by 3. Apply the rule test of divisibility. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 24 cannot be the HCF. 24 cannot be the HCF. So 4 should be the HCF. Here none of these option is there, because of that reason we have to check. Okay, so 124 and 296, consider any 2. Here I am considering 124 and 296 and 296. 124 and 296. How many times? So 2 times. So 124 into 2, 248. 248. So if you subtract, then 48 you will get. So 48 2s are 96. So 48 3s are, which will be more than 124. So 2s are you do 96. So if you subtract, then you will get 8. So 11 minus 9 to 28. So next 28 1s are 28. You will get the remainder as 20. So 20 1s are 20. So you will get the remainder as 8. You will get the remainder as 8. Next 8 is the smaller one. So you divide 20 by 8. 8 2s are 16. So 4 is the remainder. Next 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 0. So among these two numbers, 4 is the HCF. and for other number also you have to check the other number is 228. So for 4 and 228 you have to check. So 28, test of divisibility, you apply the rule test of divisibility. 28, last two numbers should be divisible by 4 if the number should be divisible by 4. Here the last two numbers are 28, 28 is divisible by 4, therefore the HCF is 4, and hence the greatest number that divides 130, 305 and 245, leaving remainder 6, 9 and 17 respectively is 4. Option A is the right answer.